Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the grain comments. Beans are up about 10 cents. Corn and wheat's up about 4 to 5 cents. I think there's a little buying in front of the weekly export sales report to see if there's continued good corn sales and if there's any new bean sales. I think overnight we saw that China came in with a stimulus package. We had seen the Chinese stock market lower because of talk that they were not going to stimulate their economy anymore. So that's helping U.S. stocks. It's helping the copper market, it's helping crude, and it's weaker on the bond market. It could also be filtering into the grains. We also noted that the Chinese soybean meal futures are sharply higher. There's talk that because they haven't announced their corn reserve policy, that feeders are scrambling to try to buy meal because they thought they were going to be able to buy corn cheaper. Export sales report, we're expecting corn sales again around about 1 million tons. Wheat sales continue to be on the slow side, around 200,000 tons. And we'll see if we do old and new crop 300,000 to 500,000 tons of beans. The Argentina Grain Exchange estimated their soybean crop at 55 million tons. That's down from the USDA's estimate of 56.5. They also noted that the arrival of trucks at their ports is declining, even though they still have harvest. Some people think that this last, let's say, 60% of the harvest may have some quality problems, which means that they may not be able to export as many beans as they normally do. We're also hearing farmers here in the United States might be switching a few acres from corn to beans because of the high soybean price versus corn, and they also might try to plant beans following the wheat harvest, and that could add a little bit of acres. Still, I think a lot of commercials are looking at bigger demand than what USDA said, even with maybe 1 million more acres. Traditional funds yesterday, they were sellers of beans, oil, corn, and wheat, buyers of meal. 6 to 10 day forecast calls for below normal temps and normal rains. The 8 to 14 is again normal to above temps and normal rains. So there's again a little bit of concern about getting the eastern Midwest corn planted. So that could mean the farmers there, and especially Indiana and Ohio, could switch to beans. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.